y'all, today we're trying out the Stouffer's Classic Meatloaf. I heard about this from another shopper from a grocery haul, and today I'm going to try it out. It's really simple. You can put it in the microwave or the oven. Today we're going for the microwave. Okay, so while I got it in the microwave, it says leave film on the packet and do not vent. This is the first time that I have heard of that. If y'all hear anything in the next few minutes. Anyway, then I'm going to stir it and I'm going to cook it another 2.5 minutes on high. Then of course, as always, you let it sit for 2 minutes. We'll let you know how it is. I didn't know Nestle made things like this, but I guess they did. Y'all know what that means. Let's see what we got. Whew, it's hot. Hold on. Okay, here we are. The moment of truth. I don't know why I don't set the tripod up. You taste the potatoes first. Plain. Very hot. I can tell they're not real. You know what I mean, homemade. I don't know. Let's see, y'all. Now that's good. I think it said it was meatloaf. To me, it tastes more like hamburger meat. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing down. And I'm going to add some pepper. And a little bit of hot sauce. That gravy's good. And the hamburger's good. The meatloaf part's good. It's not homemade, but it's good. Thank y'all for watching.